Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Okay, so as you can see, my battery percentage is not showing at all, and to fix that you can simply go to the settings. So let's go to settings. Now go to battery and scroll down and you'll find show battery percentage and enable it. Now you can see that battery percentage is being shown. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.